Thank you, Ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. I am honored to introduce to you our guest speaker for this momentous event. Today, he comes home to us to grace us all with his presence, to share with us his story, and to inspire us to work hard to achieve our dreams, no matter how difficult the road may be. We are so lucky that he really find way to be with us today despite of the distance and his hectic schedules. Our guest speaker for today is a native of Barangay San Juan, Loreto, Dinagat Islands, born on October 23, 1990. He is the son of the late Mr. A.D. D. Cosette and Mrs. Patty M. Cosette. He earned his elementary education at Loreto Central Elementary School and graduated on 2004. He finished his secondary education at Loreto National High School and received the award's second honorable mention last 2008. He finally reached the peak of his tertiary education at Surigao State College of Technology with a degree, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Physical Science, as Commission on Education full grant scholar, and passed the licensure examination for teacher in the same year 2012. He also earned graduate units in Master of Arts in Education, major in General Science at the same school. After taking his master's degree, he continued pursuing his dreams at St. Paul University of Surigao for his doctoral degree, pursuing the curriculum of Doctor of Philosophy in Educational Management as complete academic requirements passer. Currently, working on his dissertation writing too, entitled Development of 5A's Instructional Approach Module in Physics and its Influence on Students' Physics Achievement, Problem Solving, and Reasoning Skills. For his work experience, he started as volunteer teacher in Panama National High School year 2012 to 2013. Then, hired in DepEd as secondary school teacher 1 on 2013 in Caggiana National High School for 6 years, 2013 to 2019. Later, promoted from secondary school teacher 1 to secondary school teacher 3 on 2019 in the same school for 1 year and 8 months. He promoted in Schools Division's Office of the Dinagat Islands as Education Program Specialist 2 in Human Resource Development for 1 year and 5 months, year 2021 to 2022. Promoted from Education Program Specialist 2 to Senior Education Program Specialist in Human Resource Development last August 2022. Then, currently working as Senior Education Program Specialist in Human Resource Development in Schools Division's Office of Dinagat Islands. For his awards and recognition are the following: SCT Education Department Dance Troupe member during his college days, SCT Theater Club member on his college days, attended the National Training and Workshop on Special Program in the Arts, Theater as SDO representative held at Liceo de Cagayan University, Cagayan City. Church the Body of Christ choir member during his high school days. research panelist member during the Caggiana National High School Research Forum, science investigatory project research advisor, and a coach last 2017 to 2018. First place and regional contestants as coach on science investigatory project, and first place at the same time in research-based strategic intervention material innovator last 2017 and 2018. Research-based strategic intervention material innovator last 2017 to 2018. Division Pool of Data Analyst member, learning facilitator and resource speaker of different trainings and workshops in schools in divisions office. SDO Induction Program for Beginning Teacher Coordinator, member of Toastmaster International Club last 2020 to 2021, Vice President in Education of Garaga Educators, Toastmaster International Club last 2021. Champion during the Toastmasters International District 75 Humorous Speech Contest 2022 Area F3 level. Second place during the Toastmasters International District 75 Humorous Speech Contest 2022 Division level. Finalist during the Toastmasters International District 75 Humorous Speech Contest 2022 National level. Organizer of Caggiana National High School Mr. and Miss Environmentalist Pageant last 2013 to 2018. Program Director of Mutyanan Caggiana. Committee Chair of Sirong Sirong Festival Street Dancing. Sirong Festival Street Dancing Choreographer and Champion last 2018. Bugbusan sa Isla Festival Assistant Choreographer and two-time back-to-back champion year 2018 and 2019. Back-to-back champion as choreographer in Saludo during the second and third Dinagat Islands Provincial Athletic Meet. Winning coach of gymnastic and dance sports. Tournament manager in volleyball during the 2023 Open Volleyball League in Caggiana Municipality. Resident municipal choreographer and event organizer in Caggiana Municipality. Today, he comes back to the arms of Loreto, already full-fledged professional with a lot of experiences up his sleeves. His life was not a walk in the park, but the hardships he was able to overcome are the main reasons why he is with us. Maybe inspired by his life with the hopes that 5 to 10 years from now, it will be one of this year's graduates who will be inspiring those who will come after us. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome with a warm